Welcome guys, so a new tool and a new video. It's a 4-in-1 garden tool, like a petrol one from Parker brand, so we're going to open it up and see what it comes with. Right, I've tried to open the box up so you can see a bit better. It looks like we have got some extension sort of poles for your attachments to go on. Two of them at the minute. Got some sort of guard by the looks of it. That one's heavy. What we've got here, more poles. Looks like the main bit itself. Looks like your strimmer. Do not install spool without installing a washer first, so just need to have a look at the instructions before we get going. We've got like a harness so that we can attach it to us instead of having all the weight in our hands. More bits, not quite sure at the minute. What was in this heavy one? It looks like we've got some of the attachments. This looks like the hedge trimmer attachment. As you can see, we've got some plastic stuck around the nut, which isn't ideal. It's very heavy though, which hopefully that means it's well made. We have got a chainsaw attachment there. Again, I want to have a good read through all this, make sure I'm setting it all up right. Pair of gloves, some sort of little stick thing, again, not sure. Safety goggles, nice touch. A little toolkit, again, nice touch in a little bag. Got some knobs in there, Allen keys, little spanners. It's quite nice that it comes in that little bag. I'm assuming that's some more stuff for the strimmer. Parts that probably obviously need connecting at some point, and some sort of measuring bottle there. That was all in this big heavy box. I've seen around here, I need to be careful opening these so I don't pierce them. Well, they were well wrapped, but we've got some 2-stroke oil and some chainsaw oil there as well. Another attachment, it's kind of like a extremely heavy duty strimmer. Go through like some of your brambles, like a metal, not a disc as such, but a metal blade. Owner's manual, and that is actually all in English, so it's quite a chunky, detailed manual. Colour as well. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it looks nice and detailed. Like I say, colour pictures. It's a shame it's all crumpled up at the back, but sure it'll be fine. Troubleshooting, so we've got all sorts there, so that's looks like quite actually important manual. Usually I kind of skip the manuals, but I think on this I will be having a good look. So you've got your actual main pole there, which you can attach some of your bits onto, and another pole with your trigger on by the looks of it. And then of course the engine itself, which everything attaches to. Now it's all opened up then and I've got it all out, I thought I'd give you a better look. So obviously it's a 4-in-1 tool, so we've got the 4 tools here. You've got your chainsaw with a little chainsaw oil attachment next to it, the hedge trimmer, and then we've got your strimmer, and then a heavy duty metal disc, which is more for like your thicker brambles. We've got some spare for your strimmer, some safety bits then, so we've got some goggles, some gloves, came with a little toolkit which was a nice touch, the harness there so we can wear it. We've got the manual, and like I say, quite a good detailed manual in colour as well, and this whole thing is in English, so a lot of information in there I need to have a read through. Got the guard, your extension poles, your trigger pole at the back, it all needs to be attached to the engine, and then we have got some 2-stroke oil and the chainsaw oil and a little mixing bowl there as well. I think I'm best now to go off, have a good read of that manual, get it all put together. I'm going to do it off camera though to try and keep this video fairly short. Obviously you've seen everything it comes with. If you've got any questions though, pop them in the comments, whether it's putting it together, if you've got one yourself and you're having trouble, I'll do my best to answer. And then I think what I will do is I will go off, use it, I'll make a few videos of me using the tool and give a bit of a review on the tools themselves and just the overall product and let you know what I think. So thank you for watching guys, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next video.